I'm going to show you now how to review your comments from a concert write-up. So I'm going to test user right here so you can see that there's a lot of things missing. This is not what your My Grades would look like, but this is My Grades, so you can access that in Blast by clicking on My Grades. You know how to do that. And then when you get down here, you can see there are a number of things you can click on. You can click on View Rubric, you can click on this speech bubble, comic book looking thing for feedback, or you can click on Concert Write-Up 2. And I actually recommend clicking on the title of the assignment, Concert Write-Up 2, because you can get to all your other feedback from this screen. So as you can see here, it pulls into our screen. Now this is actually the same screen you should see upon submitting, except now it has comments attached as well. You can see my feedback here is that this paper is missing a few parts of the assignment, especially the pre-concert portion for the second piece, so it sounds like there were only comments for one piece, and then the entire post-concert portion is all missing. So that should also be reflected then in the grading rubric. Now I can reach the rubric here, and I can get to the document itself is kind of hidden over here by this comment screen, so I'm going to X out of comments, and I can still see the comments here, and now I can actually get a better look at this, and it's still too small, so I will go up to assignment details. This little arrow right here will make all the assignment details hide for a minute. I can bring those back out when I want to. Now I can get a look at some of the comments that are put in here, and again, this is just a quick hash up, so there are not a whole lot of comments on this paper, but I have put quite a few on some of yours. So then I can look over the comments that are in text in the paper when I'm satisfied with those, or you can do this in any order that you want. You can go into the grading rubric and see where you received credit or didn't receive credit in different areas. So the concert time was missing on that paper, and then the method was missing. You might have noticed that comment as we were looking at it. And then here we see selection 2 is completely missing, and then we start getting into the post-concert area of the rubric. All of this stuff is missing. Proofreading was pretty good. There's the common preforming mistake, but occasional minor errors, so that's where that falls into, and the musical terms that were used were good. So I get a look at, and everybody's paper is going to be a little bit different in this area, but that walks you through exactly, and you can see there's feedback in certain areas. Now some of my graders leave a lot of feedback in the rubric, others leave more in the actual paper. I tend to leave feedback in both. So especially if you had a paper that was graded by me, you may want to make sure you check both areas. Especially if you're not happy with the grade you got, you want to check every possible area to find as many things, make sure you understand all of your graders' feedback before contacting me with an issue. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. So write in My Grades and then click on the name of the paper. So for you all, it will be Concert Write-Up 1, but I use this Concert Write-Up 2 for the ease of creating the video. All right.